Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. I hope you had a great spring break. I just want to go ahead and get started this week for week 3 of virtual learning. What our plan is for this week, what are kind of some expectations. I've had a lot of questions on that and kind of what are we looking at for this week. So we are now in week 3 of our virtual learning process here, and we just want to make sure we're clear on our expectations here. The expectations are that you guys are working on the material that we're providing for you, okay? The whole goal of this is to continue to learn and grow in your knowledge of our Algebra 2 material. And so whatever's been posted, we are looking at whether you're completing that or not and your scores and tracking those. And so please make sure that you're staying on top of these assignments and that you are working on them throughout the week. We understand that virtual learning is something new, and so us as teachers, we're doing our best to be flexible and help you in whatever way that we can and answer any questions that you have as you learn to manage all of your classes virtually versus being in class with us. So please reach out with any questions that you have. You can see my office hours are every Tuesday and Thursday from 11 until noon. What that means is I'm just at my computer, so you can G-chat me and I'll be able to respond right away. You can send me emails. That's usually a good time when I respond to emails if they've been sent to me. Also remind texting. It's just a time when I'm available to meet with you right away and get answers right away. Of course, I understand maybe we have work or other things going on during those office hours, and so feel free to send me an email or remind text whenever you can, and I will get back to you as soon as what I can there. Reminder to join our Remind classroom, and then here's just a little bit about my office hours. And then here is what we're going to kind of look at for this week for our plan. So every day this week, you guys kind of have very small chunked assignments for you guys. So your goal for today is to watch this video. Make sure you fill out this Google form. Some of you guys have been skipping these, and this is my way of kind of checking to see who's paying attention to the material, reading the directions, and following through on those check-ins. So please make sure you check in on this week 3 Google form. I think it's like 4 questions, very, very short. And then your other thing that you need to make sure you have completed today is that you've logged into PlayPosit and make sure that you've watched the 723 video assigned to you. This has been assigned to you for about a month now, so most of you have this video already completed, but if not, please take the time to watch that video and make sure you have notes on it. That's really what we're focusing on this week is 723, because this is one learning target through our virtual learning that I've noticed students are really struggling on. And so I wanted to make sure I broke this big topic down into smaller chunks for you guys to hopefully help you with your understanding. So please make sure you've watched that video. It's really going to kind of set a base of learning for you guys for the rest of this week. On Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, what I've done is I've broken this skill down into 3 groups. And so we're going to be breaking them down into solving when there's 1 radical, 2 radicals, and then when we have to use our FOIL and box method. So what I did is on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday here, I made a short video. These are linked into YouTube there for you guys to watch. And then what we have here is just a short quizzes. It's just 3 practice problems that are directly tied to the video. So each part is broken down into a how-to video where I go over just 2 problems. I talk through them, I give an explanation, and then you have 3 practice problems to do on your own through this quizzes here. If you go through the quizzes and you do really poorly, please try it again, okay? Go back, go through those problems, look at your work. Maybe you can catch your small mistakes, but go back, redo them again, okay? I'm also looking at, are we doing well with these problems or do we need to go back and do more practice? Because what I've seen in the past is that we needed more practice with these problems. So just Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, short videos, practices. Feel free to pause these videos, fast forward them as you need. They're linked into YouTube, so it's really your option of how you want to play those videos. But again, please make sure you're listening to them. If you're not listening, you're not learning. So make sure you're listening to those videos. And then on Friday, what we have here is we're taking the stuff you've learned on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and we're combining it all. So now hopefully we've mastered each of those skills for solving those different types. And then you just have a very short quizzes here. It's only 6 problems. So really, guys, I've really only assigned to you this week 12 problems. Well, 15 problems total for the whole week, to try and keep this at a manageable level for you guys. So again, videos every day to help you, and then short practices on those quizzes to kind of help you master that material. Again, please make sure you're reaching out during my office hours if you have any questions, or just reaching out in general. I would be happy to help you in whatever way that I can. Please let me know if you have any further questions, but I hope you guys had a great spring break. I hope you guys are doing okay in quarantine. And again, please let me know if you need anything. All right, see you soon.